In this video, we begin by exploring the Kling interface, a platform for video generation. On the home page, you'll find a feed of trending and viral clips, like the popular Tiny People Cutting Apples videos. It's a great place to browse, find inspiration, and even reuse prompts from other creators. The Explore tab includes sections for videos, images, and pre-edited shorts, which can be assembled directly on the platform. The Assets tab contains your uploads and project files. If you've saved any prompt, you'll find those in the Prompt Presets tab. There's also an image editor, though it's rarely used. Next, the AI Templates tab features trendy templates and viral visual effects, such as 360-degree camera spins, soft material simulations, or kiss cam overlays. These are playful, popular effects you can experiment with. Kling also has a built-in image generator, including a newer, higher quality option. However, it still doesn't match the visual fidelity of Midjourney, which is why we've relied on Midjourney for our main image creation. For instance, using the same reference image in Kling's face subject-based generation yields noticeably flatter, less detailed results. Inconsistent armor, low depth in backgrounds, and anatomical distortions like extra fingers. Because of these quality issues, I don't use Kling's image generator, though you're welcome to experiment with it. Now to the main feature, video generation. This is where we turn images into video clips. Kling supports multiple generation modes. While text-to-video exists, we won't use it as it's almost impossible to have something consistent from generation to generation. Instead, we'll use the image-to-video function. In here, you can have start and optionally end frame. Like we can add image of a girl on a field as start frame and leave end frame empty. And enter a prompt. A young girl plays and laughs on the lush green field. Camera is handheld and tracking her face. Select the professional mode. You can choose duration, 5 or 10 seconds, how many outputs you want, and a creativity slider to control how closely Kling follows the prompt versus improvising. Once submitted, Kling generates the video. While that processes, let's look at another feature, prompt adaptation with DeepSeek. DeepSeek analyzes the image and your text prompt, then suggests an improved or more vivid description. For example, it rewrote our prompt into, "The young girl with long red hair and freckles laughs joyfully while sitting in the lush green fields dotted with wildflowers, her light shirt fluttering as she playfully brushes tall grass with her fingertips." The handheld camera tracks her glowing face closely, capturing golden sunlight filtering through swaying stems and her curious wide-eyed expression. You can accept, tweak, or reject these suggestions, like I tweaked running through the field to sitting in it. While we were working on the prompt for new video, the previous one generated, for some reasons exactly this image gets this weird color glitches, which not usually happens, but it's AI. Anything can happen. Anyhow, the movement itself looks good and ultra realistic. Let's also generate the one that we prompted with DeepSeek. And while we are waiting for new video, let's have a look at Inspiration and Presets tab. The Inspiration and Presets. Camera rotates, handheld, zoom in, out, etc. These help you frame your shot more clearly. All your generated content appears in the right-hand panel. You can click on Edit to see source image and prompt of any video generation. You can regenerate clips, you can start a multi-element session, lip sync, extend the video, or add AI-generated sound to it. You can like or dislike the generation, download. Just click this button and hover pop-up to download without watermark, as well as publish to gallery, report, or delete. And add to favorites to be able to sort through them later. Filters allow you to view just images, videos, or audio clips. Kling also supports multi-element editing. You can swap a subject, insert a new object, or remove something from a scene. For example, replace a woman with a man using simple mask tracking. Or insert a person from image to the video. This time it made me so small that astronaut looks huge. You can also remove elements from video. Just select the mask and prompt the system to remove it. It works surprisingly well. We'll spend most of our time in this video generation section. There's also a sound generation tab for adding audio effects. You describe a sound or use the one Kling suggests, and Kling generates matching audio. Powerful rocket engines roar, flames burst, and rumbling echoes as the rocket ascends, creating a dramatic launch scene. Let's listen now for what it has generated for us based on prompt and given video. The audio generation is decent. Still, for most sound design, I use 11 Labs, which we'll explore in the sound section later. Finally, Kling also includes virtual AI model tools. It's mostly for e-commerce and fashion purposes. We don't need that. And lip sync that you can use after you generated your video. We will talk more about it and other options for lip sync in upcoming videos. That's it for the Kling interface overview. See you in the next video.